Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pumpkin curry. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this flavorful dish. You will need 1 small pumpkin, about 2 pounds, along with a can of creamy coconut milk and some vegetable broth. Do not forget the aromatic red curry paste. 1/4 cup is perfect to build that authentic taste. Ensure you have your onion, garlic, and ginger ready for chopping. Once your pumpkin is clean, it is time for preparation. Carefully slice the pumpkin in half, then use a spoon to scoop out all the seeds and stringy pulp. Next, with a steady hand, peel away the outer skin using a sturdy peeler or a sharp paring knife. Finally, dice the bright orange flesh into consistent 1-inch cubes. This ensures every piece cooks perfectly tender, making your curry delightful. With your pumpkin prepped, we now build the rich flavor foundation of our curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a large pot over medium heat, then add your chopped onion, cooking until it softens, about 5 minutes. Stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, letting their aroma fill your kitchen for about 1 minute. Finally, mix in the red curry paste, cooking it briefly to deepen its complex flavors. Now it is time to bring everything together. Add your diced pumpkin to the pot, ensuring each cube is nicely coated with that aromatic curry paste. Pour in the rich, full-fat coconut milk and 1 cup of vegetable broth, stirring gently to combine. Bring this delicious mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook. In about 15 to 20 minutes, your pumpkin will be perfectly tender.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.